Hello everyone. Today we will show you a little trick to make a simple bread extraordinary. Start for each bread with a mixture of these ingredients: 130 grams of all-purpose flour, 130 grams of whole wheat flour, 2 egg yolks, a teaspoon of salt, 30 grams of sugar, and 8 grams of dry yeast. For the first bread only, we add 20 grams of vital gluten. The second bread is without added gluten. Add warm water to each mix. Stir the mixtures to form dough. Keep the mixtures in covered bowls for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add 4 tablespoons of butter to each mixture. Heat the oven to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Knead the butter into each piece of dough. After the butter is kneaded in, use a rolling pin to develop the gluten. This makes the kneading much easier. The dough without added gluten feels stickier. Add a little more dry flour so that it's easier to knead. When the dough becomes smooth, roll it into shape. Put the dough in glass pans and leave both in a closed lit oven for an hour to proof. As we can see, both pieces of dough have risen to a good size. We can already see the difference in size. The one with added gluten is larger. Heat the oven to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 30 minutes. After that time is up, we turn off the oven and let the bread stay in the oven for another 10 minutes. They both look fluffy and they smell great. Take them out to a breadboard to cool and cure in a ventilated box for 45 minutes. Now that the bread is cool, let's cut and compare. The inside of the gluten bread looks fluffy and uniform, but the top of the other bread collapses as it's cut, and the inside is flaky. So if you are not gluten sensitive, now you know how to make the most impressive, simple, fluffy bread. Please be sure to click that subscribe button for more great recipes like this. Thank you for watching.